Yeah, in Selenium, when we perform the Selenium automation testing, we have to face some technically challenge with Selenium WebDriver software test automation. We can describe in each slide. Yes, I have faced below given technical challenges during Selenium WebDriver test case development and running for software web application. Yeah, sometimes, not always, some element like text box button are taking more time, more than given implicit wait time to appear on page of software web application or to get enabled on page. In such situation, if I have used only implicit wait, then my test case run fine on first run, but it may fail to find element on the second run. So we need provide special treatment for such element so that WebDriver script wait for element to be present or get enabled on page of software web application during testing execution. We can use explicit wait to handle this situation. Handling dynamic challenging ID is to locate element is tricky. If element ID is changing every time when you reload the software web application page and you have to use that ID in XPath to locate element, then you have to use function like start with @ID post body or content @ID post body in XPath. Other alternative solution to handle this situation, clicking on some menu which are getting rendered on mouse over of main menu is somewhat tricky. You need to use WebDriver action class to perform mouse over operation. If you have to execute your test case in multiple browsers, then one test case run successfully in Firefox, but same test case may fail in iBrowser due to the timing related issue. No such element exception because that execution in Firefox browser is faster than IE browser. You can resolve this issue by increasing implicit wait time when you run your tests in IE browser. Yeah, above issue can arise due to the unsupported XPath in IE browsers. In this case, you need to other element locating method id name css selector etc to locate element. Handling jQuery element like moving picture, pressing slider, date picker, drag and drop etc is tricky. You should have knowledge of WebDriver's advanced user interaction API to perform all these actions. Working with multiple windows, frame and some tasks like extracting data from web table, extracting data from dynamic web table, extracting all link from page, extracting all text box from page are also tricky and time consuming during test case preparation. There is not any direct command to upload or download file from web page using Selenium WebDriver. For download file using Selenium WebDriver, you need to create and set Firefox browser profile with WebDriver test case. You can we can give some practical example in another video. WebDriver do not have any built-in object repository facility. You can do it using java.properties file to create object repository. WebDriver do not have any built-in framework or facility using which we can achieve below given task directly. Capturing screenshot, generating text, execution log, reading data from file, generating test results, report, manage test case execution sequence. To achieve all these tasks, we have to use external service with WebDriver like Log4j to generate log, Apache POI API to read data from Excel file, testing XLT report to generate test result report, TestNG to manage test case execution, or JUnit and .NET and unit .properties file to create object repository. All these tasks are very time consuming. Now I hope this video is very helpful. I believe.